Yeah, traveling with love.
All right, right now, Olivia and I, we have a debate. I feel that my wah 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 is better than hers. And I told her that I was a South Carolina state champion back in the day in wah 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 wah. Anyway, so we decided to record it. So Olivia, you go first. And just as I told her, not bad. But as state champion and an experienced wah wah wah, yeah, here's mine. Wah 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 wah.
Yeah, he thinks he's the best one, but he was not a world state champion. No, he was
not. I
not.
got world state champion. I was the South Carolina state champion.
No, he is not that because no. I don't think he was the best one.
Did you not just hear my wah 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 wah?
Yes, but that was the worst for me because that was not
the worst.
No, that was the worst.
You guys decide who did it the best.